have two pairs of socks in the same style. One's brown and one's green. Both pairs have one of the two socks with a hole in the heel, and the other half of the pair doesn't have a hole in the heel. So I can pair the one brown and one green sock together and save the other two socks for another project. However, if you want to save your socks, you can try repairing them. One way is to darn them. You can use a darning egg, or you can stick something else in your sock to help hold the hole open. In my case, I wadded up some newspaper and wrapped another piece of newspaper around it and stuck it inside. And I also used my fingers inside to help guide the needle. Darning is weaving in and out, back and forth across a hole in the sock, or in this case, weaving through the knitting to reinforce it and make a thicker area, because it's very thin and cold on the heel of the sock where it's threadbare. You want to cover an area a little bit bigger than the hole or the threadbare area. When you've finished weaving or darning your area, then you need to weave in the ends of your yarns, going back and forth in at least 2 or 3 directions to secure your yarn before trimming it off. You can see the darned area is thicker than it had been. Here is what it used to look like. This is what it looks like on the foot. Instead of darning, you can also try to recreate the knitting, which is what I attempted to do with this hole. I got 2 crochet hooks and some yarn that was close to the same size. However, I used a contrasting color. Then I picked up stitches and replaced them where I could with the original yarn and kind of knitted into the hole and attached it. I don't really have full instructions on how to do that in this video. That would take a whole video of its own. This is what it looked like when I was finished. However, you could embellish it to make it look like a decoration. I made a daisy chain around my patch to make it look like a floral embellishment. When you're done, weave in the ends. This is what it looked like when I was finished.